All right, this is the little Tikes trampoline for toddlers. This is for age 3 to 6, but if your kids are on the taller side or more mobile side, you could probably use it earlier as well. These handles, you can essentially unscrew these tabs on both sides and you can fold it over. So for storage, you can kind of collapse the size of this. All you have to do is do that, and then there you go. You fold it over, lift it up, and you can store it safely. There's also, when it comes folded over, so you have to use a little bit of force to straighten it out. It helps to have a second person. There's 5 legs on the bottom, and you can see how this part is kind of grippy and soft, so it won't scratch up your floors. The actual net is a really thick material, and there's a plastic cover for the remaining, so your kids' feet don't like go through the springs like it would with a traditional large trampoline if you didn't have a cover. So there are springs underneath it, but they're hidden with cushioned blue, essentially polyester cover to make sure they don't harm their ankles or legs. And then to put it back up, all you have to do is pull this back and then screw these back in so that the handle is nice and stable for your children. And do that on both sides. Literally takes 30 seconds to like put it back up. My kid's only like 20 months now, and he's already able to use this. Of course, he doesn't bounce very high, but he does have fun on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.